end-to-end process levels. So they are particularly 5 levels. So we'll take an example of the procure to pay. Well, it's a P2P processes. It is called as. So where we'll see what is L1, what is L2, what is L3, what is L4, what is L5. So considering the L1 is a value chain map, so we have to create the value chain maps for that. So here we have example like enterprise level core business. So what will be the L1 when it comes to the procure to pay model? So enterprise level core business areas will be a procurement management, so that will be a L1 level. And when it comes to the L2, that is end to end processes, so where we just have a complete business process flow, it will be there. So we can say procure to pay will be the L2, and L1 will be the procurement manager, and here L3 is the core process. So what is the processes that we are going to do within the procure to pay within the L2A? So the core process will be the main steps will be roles like create a PO, process order, then approve the process order, receive the goods, process the invoice and make the payment. So that will be a process, core process is happening within the L3 level. And L4 level with the activity details like select the material, choose the supplier, enter the quantities, submit the approval. So that kind of sub processes will be considering within the sub processes, that is called as the L4 level. And when it comes to the L5, it is a system, that is a specific steps. So where we can say like API level or data level or database level, that is going, or instructions level, that has to be going over there into the L5 level. So here it is a work instructions. So it will considering the system specific steps like SAP transaction M35I1N has been there, and enter the item, enter the save. So that kind of work instructions that is there within the L5 level. So these all are end-to-end process levels are there: L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, and every level have their own things to say, like how it is giving the from the helicopter view to the in a detailed view. So that is there. So it is L1 to L5. Coming to the risk and control, so how it works within the risk and control within our process mapping. So always risk are there and controls are there when we are creating the process maps. So mapping level we will understand, we will get the examples and we'll see how best practice it is. So coming to the mapping level, risk and controls mapped at the L3 levels where the core process has been created, and L4 level where the we are creating the sub processes and where activities are detailed enough. So there we are adding the risk and controls like where how what kind of risk we have, any behavioral risk or any financial risk or any software or IT risk, whatever it is, or any kind of a reputation risk, it might be anything. So that kind of level risk and controls has to be added in the L3 and L4 level. And example process we can say the approve the purchase order. So where what will be the risk here? So here might be a chances of unauthorized approvals, so when we are getting, and controls. So here control will be approval or approve with authorization level, so that we can put. So this is example. And here's a break practice we can. Best practice is L1 to L2 is a too high level, so where we are the creating the value chain maps. L5 is a technical controls only, where we will give the work instructions, document API level, that is there. And L3, L4 is ideal for comprehensive mapping, so where we are doing the core process maps and as a process, that is there. So this is the best practice that we are following for the L1, L2 too high level, L5 is for the technical, and L3, L4 for the ideal for the comprehensive process mapping.